Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can remove the AC compressor from your Opel Vauxhall Zafira, Astra and Vectra and the key stops to do it safely. So first of all, before removing the compressor, you need to make sure that the refrigerant has been professionally recovered. Never loosen the refrigerant lines while the system is still pressurized. Now you need to start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal, then raise the front of the vehicle and remove the engine under tray if it blocks access to the compressor, which is usually mounted low on the engine near the auxiliary drive belt. Now you just have to simply release the tension from the serpentine belt using the belt tensioner and slide the belt off the AC compressor pulley. Just take the quick photo of the belt routing before removing it so that installation is easier later. After doing so, you just have to simply unplug the compressor electrical connector, and then you just have to simply remove the high pressure and the low pressure refrigerant lines. Cover the open parts immediately to keep the moisture and the dirt out of the system. Then finally remove the compressor mounting bolts while supporting the compressor with one hand. Lower it carefully out of the engine bay as the unit is heavier than it looks and shape is limited on these Vauxhall and the Opel models. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.